Hello and welcome to the ScatterVolt channel, and today I'm going to show you guys another pre-built. Now don't click off this video. I know I'm known for my custom PC builds, but whenever I check out a pre-built gaming PC on my channel, it's usually from a company I'm comfortable recommending. And fortunately, in today's video, we're going to be checking out a pre-built from ABS Computers. ABS Computers is the #1 pre-built company right now on Newegg.com, and I think that's because they're actually a subdivision of Newegg, which means their prices are very competitive, especially compared to other pre-builts. And whenever these go on sale, they're usually for a really good price and easily beat out other pre-builts within their same price. They're quite literally custom gaming PCs that are already built for you. And they definitely want me to highlight this pre-built specifically because it's brand new, and once we open it up, you'll see why. Wow, okay, customer care package. Let's quickly look into this. All right, so let's say you're a PC newbie, you don't know what's up on how to set up a computer. If I can open this, there we go. Let's open this up. We have a power cable. Ooh, some additional power cables. This is modular, that's good to see. SATA cable, extra M.2 SSD screws, and antennas for our motherboard. We will need this. And look at that, right there on the computer is a quick start guide right on the front of the side panel. Look at that. Remove side panel screws. Again, carefully remove. Open up the computer. Oh man, you know, this is like how to set up a computer for dummies. ABS is really making sure you know exactly what to do if you're totally clueless on how to get your first PC up and running. Your ABS system comes with a 30-day return period and a 1 year of parts and warranty repair service. Excellent. Okay, let's go ahead and do what they say in the instructions. Go ahead and open up the side panel. Let's open this up. We're gonna see why this pre-built is worth checking out very soon. And yeah, this is what all the fuss is about. This is ABS's new Stratos Aqua pre-built gaming PC featuring Intel 14th gen processors. So what we've got underneath this CPU cooler right here is the Intel Core i7-14700KF. This is an update to the 13700KF. This should result in slightly more performance, and fortunately, this is an ABS pre-built. Like I said, they take the parts they put in these very seriously, so we do have a 240mm AIO here from Thermaltake to cool off that KF series processor, because let's be real, it is gonna get hot. Fortunately, we also got 3 fans here in the front that's gonna bring cool air into the PC, which is going to be helpful for the RTX 4070 Ti we also have in this pre-built computer. So cooling wise, we should have no shortages there, which is good. If this is a good pre-built, it's gonna have excellent cable management in the back. And let's see, voila, yep, all tidied up, all ready for you. You don't have to worry about doing any additional cable management in the Stratos Aqua. Excellent, and they even let you have room here to put in a hard drive. Very neat. Now, if I had to guess, the performance of the Stratos Aqua here is going to be honestly overkill for 1440p gaming, but what I'm curious maybe in the performance section of this video is seeing if it can do 4K gaming. And yeah, I think there's nothing else for us to do other than to set up the computer and see what its performance is like. Okay, so we've got everything set up, and I want to see what the setup is like for this ABS pre-built computer, because I think that matters if you're looking into a pre-built computer, because obviously you want everything done for you, so we'll be making those necessary checks before we get to gaming. So we've got everything plugged in. Let's press the power button. Excellent, looks like it turns on, and we should see something here on the monitor. Ooh, okay, excellent. Looks like we're just gonna get straight to setting up Windows. Yeah, okay, that was easy. Okay, so we just got the computer set up with Windows, and this is the first thing that popped up. It's this all-in-one MSI motherboard utilities and chipset drivers feature that pops up whenever you first install and set up a new computer using one of their motherboards. So we're gonna go ahead and disable the things we don't want to install and enable the things that we do. But all the Intel drivers, we definitely need that. And let's hit install. We're gonna let that run, but here's another important thing. Are there graphics card drivers already pre-installed? Let's type in NVIDIA, control panel, okay, but what we want is GeForce Experience, which we don't have. All we're gonna do is just go ahead and type in NVIDIA drivers into our search engine, click on the nvidia.com link, let's go ahead and find 40 series, 4070 Ti, search, download, We're gonna let that run. Okay, sweet. That is all done. That is all set up. We're gonna not hit finish yet because let's go ahead and install those graphics card drivers. Again, it's super easy, super quick. And when this is done, we'll go ahead and restart the computer and I'm gonna check on one more thing. And if that thing is checked off, then we can get to gaming because this computer is gonna be wicked fast. Okay, here is the BIOS. Oh, look at that. Our RAM already has the XMP profile enabled. That is excellent. We don't have to do anything in the BIOS. This computer is quite literally all set up for you, ready to go, other than those graphics card drivers we had to manually install. And with that, let's go ahead and see its gaming performance. Okay, now if you want to talk about performance, let me show you a game that can absolutely show off the qualities of this pre-built. We have here Cyberpunk 2077, and get this, we are running the game at ray tracing overdrive at 4K. And the frame rate is on the top left. And I mean, this is with a 4070 Ti and an i7. You could shell out for something faster than this, but if you wanted to play a game that can utilize NVIDIA's technologies the most effectively, then you could absolutely do that with a pre-built like the ABS Stratos Aqua. That 4070 Ti is all you need if you're looking for the best looking ray tracing experiences in your PC gaming. And of course, DLSS 3.0 is the thing for that. We do have that enabled right now, but that's just simply a perk that you get with NVIDIA graphics cards. All right, now here's a game that should really test the limits of that i7. And here we have Counter-Strike 2. I was able to get the FPS meter finally working on this game, but at the expense of my mouse cursor now in the middle of the screen, but I'm fine with that. And look at the frame rate on the top left. We're running the game at, oh man, that was nearly a skill issue right there. We're running the game at 1440p, low settings, although we have 4x MSAA enabled because I just can't stand anything that doesn't have MSAA. Ooh, that was nice. And games like CS2, where it's not super graphically intensive and you just want all the frame rate you can in the world, that's where having a fast processor like that i7 14700KF can really come in handy for really spooling up that FPS and giving you the greatest competitive edge in a game like CS2, where you want to see all the frames you can get. Yeah, this computer, it's mad fast, even at 1440p. Okay, bonus weapon. I gotta get some kills now. Got one. Got two. Got three. Got four. Ah! Almost got five. Man, we're getting easily into the 300 FPS range without problem, without struggle. Ah! Except I'm struggling with my skills right now. I'm a menace at this game right now. Or maybe it's just the AK being strong. Woo! The headshots on the AK, man. Boom. Boom. Oh, you guys should be happy with this performance, okay? It's incredible. I'm good. The performance is excellent. If you want absolute frame rate, this PC can do it. Let's close out the video. Okay, and with that out of the way, let me go ahead and conclude my experience that I've had with the ABS Stratos Aqua. I really don't have much to say because it's just simply fast. At this price range, with that i7 14700KF and RTX 4070 Ti, you should expect the best when it comes to PC performance, and you're absolutely getting that in this pre-built. And another impressive thing I think this pre-built does is that it does manage temperatures a little bit better than expected. These front three RGB fans are giving some fresh air to that RTX 4070 Ti, which has allowed it to keep its temperatures surprisingly low, like around 68 to 70 degrees is as hot as that GPU gets, despite that i7 14th gen CPU in this system, which is doing all it can to deliver the most performance. And yes, it is gonna get hot, but fortunately, I think that 240mm AIO from Thermaltake is doing a decent job in dissipating that heat outside the system, which won't constrict your 4070 Ti's airflow in any way. But other than that, it's got a 2TB M.2 SSD, a 750 watt 80 plus gold power supply, 32 gigabytes of RAM clocked at 6000 megahertz, and an MSI Z790 motherboard that should make this an all-around very solid pre-built if you're looking for the latest and greatest. So like I said, I really don't have much to say because it does everything pretty well. So if you're interested in checking out the ABS Stratos Aqua or any other 14th gen ABS pre-built system, I'll have all of that linked in the description below if you want to check them out and see what ABS can offer you with some of their latest and greatest products. And once again, I do want to give a thank you to ABS for sending out this pre-built for this overview video and for a smooth overall unboxing, first user experience, and gaming experience. So with all that said, thank you so much for watching, and this is the ScatterVolt channel, signing out.